Meaning of danger pay.
Danger pay.
Danger pay.
Danger pay.
Danger pay. Danger pay is a type of additional compensation or allowance given to employees who work in hazardous or high-risk environments, particularly in conflict zones, war-torn areas, and other hostile territories. The purpose of danger pay is to provide financial incentives and recognize the risks and potential harm that employees face while carrying out their duties. Typically, danger pay amounts vary depending on the level of risk, the location, and the duration of the assignment. Employers who offer danger pay aim to attract and retain skilled employees in difficult and dangerous working conditions.